Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. It's early in the morning here. It's probably getting on 9:30 in New York City. It's late at night in where I'm at, Queensland, Australia. But I wanted to show you something, and I think this is quite important. This is video number 2988. Please remember, trading is risky. Never trade without stops. Put them in first. But check this out. I've done some videos in the last week or so saying, listen, these people that are calling the tops in silver and gold when it was down here should not be doing that because you cannot identify a top in silver until you've identified a top in gold. And I said, please ask me before you make these calls because you can't just go out and tell people the top's in silver without knowing how to call it. Well, here we are a couple of weeks later, 10, 15 days later, whatever the number is, I don't know. And I've got something interesting to tell you. This, my friends, is something that I would call bad juju. Let me see if I could label it for you. Bad juju. I'll show you what I mean. What you are looking at, lesson from Oscar. Let me just give a little pointer on here so that we can see what's going on. So check this out. This is not good. This is bad juju. First time you're hearing me say anything about not buying silver or gold, right? Well, here's what happens when, look at this. Look inside here. Look at these little bars, little bars, little bars, little bars, little bars, little bars, little daily bars, little daily bars. It's a daily chart. When you get here, look at the expansiveness of these bars. Look at what they've done compared to the other ones. That is extreme volatility. When you get extreme volatility at new highs, that is starting to tell you that at least a short-term top is coming our way. Gold, silver. Let's just do that here. Boom. Look at silver. Look at the size of these bars. Same thing is starting to happen here. Now you're getting massive volatility, fantastically sized bars compared to all the little stuff that's been happening along the way. That is usually an indication that now, if you want to be brave and start maybe calling tops or short-term tops possibly in gold and silver, you've got a reason. So for you cats out there that were trying to call it before I told you, just ask Uncle Oscar. I'll tell you when to make this call. Now you're looking at reasoning why if you made it from here, you wouldn't be hearing videos from me telling you not to make silly calls without doing your homework. Let me see if I can extend. Yes, let me extend this for you. This is coming out across here, right? This is the major channel that silver has been in. If that red bar gets through that channel, that's going to be even more of an indication that we've got an issue. I'm telling you right off the bat, I don't need an indication. These massive volatile bars at the top of a market generally tell us it's time to be careful. So I wanted to present you with this before anything else happened. I don't know who you've been listening to and what they've been telling you, but thank God you're not short silver since down here when people were trying to call the highs. Now maybe you have a reason to do some homework and see if the highs came in. Traders, I hope that helps. That's all I wanted to show you for now. We are buyers of dips in even the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. I like Rust the best if I am going to buy a dip, but I thought I'd share that with you. Now, you might want to start looking for reasons to possibly sell some gold or silver or buy some puts. I can't guarantee you it's going to go, but I can tell you that this highly volatile, massive bars up here generally tell us that something's going on and maybe we need to be careful. I hope that helps. My gift to you. Please be careful out there. Thank you so much for helping me with my crypto. Please make sure that you continue buying, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Now remember, stop soar in. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. I hope this helps. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.